Gardens are so much more than just flowers and lawn. It's about really trying to get people outside to enjoy the garden and trying to enhance those moments. It's all about creating moments and trying to enhance those moments so it maximises their pleasure. It's really important to listen closely to a client. So this is at the very top, this is where you get the brief. So you kind of take the wish list for not just the couple, but also the rest of the family as well. How they use the garden, what their lifestyle is like, how much time they're going to be outside. And so when you're designing a garden, it really is, you're kind of designing with people in mind, connecting people to nature. So trying to get them outside and enjoy the outside space a little bit more. Not just people, but for biodiversity as well. So you're trying to enhance the local landscape and improve habitats for the local wildlife. Designing gardens and sustainability go hand in hand. So a lot of the things that we do to help and increase that are simple things like planting trees. So there's thousands of different insects and birds can live inside a tree, so we want to support that as much as possible. If the brief allows, plant as many pollinating plants. So again, working hand in hand with the clients to make sure that their planting schemes are not only what they want it to look like, but again, we're thinking about what else can we do to improve the biodiversity of the local area as well. So we work really closely with the interior designers and the architects to make sure that a client's garden is really holistic. The benefits of working really closely with the architects and interior designers is we can really hone down that flow from the inside space with the outside space. So again, it's from the off, making sure you've thought about lots of things, practical things, but also making sure that every aspect from a window is really beautiful as you look outside to make sure you can see the kids playing and they're safe. So making it a really calm and safe place for everyone in the house to enjoy.